Brian, read the directions for us, please, on C.
Complete the table below by converting the given quadratic function into its other two forms.
Okay. So number one, it gives me vertex form. I know it's vertex form because there's one set of parentheses, and I need to get rid of the parentheses to go to standard form. So let's write that. No parentheses, one parentheses, two parentheses. So how do I do that? I'm probably going to rewrite x minus 3 squared. And x minus 3 squared is really two of them. And I'm not going to forget that negative 32. And then I'm just going to multiply those. So I got x minus 3, x minus 3. Class, help me multiply. Ready, set, go. X squared, we're multiplying. Negative 3x, negative 3x, and positive 9. So, in green there, I have this 2, and what we just multiplied was x squared, combine like terms, negative 6x, we're just adding, so you just add the numbers in front, negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6, plus 9, minus 32. Okay, now I'm going to distribute that 2. Try to zoom in for you. Girls, go ahead and distribute. Uh-huh. Yes. Plus 18, and then we have that negative 32. Boys, combine like terms. Negative 14? Is that correct? Alright, so my answer for standard form is 2x squared minus 12x minus 14. Let's write some directions of what we did here. To go from vertex to standard form, we multiplied, right? And then simplified. So to go from vertex to standard form, we did that. Okay, question. So I have vertex form, I have standard form, and now I'm missing what? Okay, question. How do I go from standard form to factor form? How do I get parentheses? How do we get two sets of parentheses? We have to do what? Factor. How do we factor, class? We're going to have to use the X and the box. Let's see if we can do that. Now, before I do that, the first question we always ask for like the first 2 weeks of school, GCF. Partner B tell partner A, is there a GCF? Show me with your fingers. Yeah, the GCF is 2 because it's all even, so it's going to be 2 times. What goes up? If you take away 2, what's left? X squared. So we're basically dividing each of these by 2. Negative 6x. Negative 7. Okay, let's see if we can get this into our X in a box. So I'm going to highlight what's in the inside here. Does this feel familiar? Looking here in purple, A times C. B value. Two numbers that multiply to be -7, that add to be -6. -7 and a +1. Now, if you didn't watch the video, the shortcut, or not a shortcut, is you don't need the box when your A value is equal to 1. So I just have 2 times x minus 7, x plus 1. Now I have the 3 forms. Question? On the factors?
Like, instead of going from vertex to standard, you will vertex to constant?
The order doesn't matter because you're going to have to figure that out on the other ways. But I do want you to notice some of the big ideas that we were doing there. Okay? All right, this leads into our next question.